how to showcase a discount on Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to showcase a discount on Shopify to help boost your sales and reward your customers. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the browser and head over to shopify.com. Log into your account. If you've connected it with your Google account, you can just click Continue with Google and pick the account linked to your store. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything in your store. Look over to the sidebar and click on Discounts. This takes you to the area where you can create and manage all kinds of discount codes. Click on Create Discount, and from the options that pop up, select Amount off Products. This is perfect for giving customers a percentage or fixed amount off selected items. Now, time to set it up. First, create your discount code. This is what your customers will enter at checkout. Make it simple and relevant, like Summer 20 for a 20% summer sale. Next, enter the value of the discount. If it's a percentage, type in something like 20%. Choose wisely so you offer a great deal without hurting your profit margin too much. Scroll down and decide where you want the discount to apply. You can apply it to all products, specific collections, or even individual items. Let's say you're promoting summer gear, you'd select your summer collection and hit Add to confirm. Once you finalize your discount settings, hit Save Discount at the top or bottom of the page. Your discount code is now live and ready to use. From here, it's all about promotion. Share the code via email, post it on your socials, and add banners to your homepage to spread the word. The more people see it, the more likely they are to shop. And that's it. You just learned how to create and showcase a discount on Shopify. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos to level up your Shopify store. Catch you in the next one.